Hey everyone, Etienne here from the San Diego Home Buyer. Welcome to our newest acquisition here in Talmadge. This is a really cool little property brought to us by a referral partner. She is a Compass agent and it was actually a Compass listing, so we're really able to hone in on our negotiations due to their relationship, and yeah, everyone wins. So we're super excited about this place. Come on in, let's take a look. I want to show you a few features on this house. This is a really cool spot and I'm excited about it. First of all, look at this stamped epoxy driveway. We even got some shells in here, which is super unique, and it's in great condition. This house is built in 1941. The bones are incredible. We're gonna replace the roof, obviously do a color scheme and some rails, but apart from that, this place is tip top. Good bones. All right, must have drank a lot of milk back in the day. Bad joke, sorry. Come on. Okay, so here we have the living room. It's nice and light. We definitely, that's cool, but it's not the style these days, so we'll get rid of that. Just open this place up, open up some hallways. Okay, this is dining and kitchen area, so envision this entire wall going away. And the extension of the kitchen will come around the whole side with an island kitchenette and brand new kitchen leading off into the laundry area. And here's a funky thing. This is just what these older houses have. This is the entryway to your bathroom, which will be remodeled. So come back through here. All right. To the hallway. Alright, bedroom one. Pretty standard. Just give it a facelift. You'll notice no popcorn roof in this house, so pretty straightforward work. New flooring throughout. Now this is where the tricky and design portion comes in. We're going to close this up and this will become our master bath. Bedroom and bath with an ensuite. We're going to feature the backyard. We'll show you the backyard after this, but we're definitely going to feature this, open it up, more windows, and entering into a beautiful big new bath room. Alright, room number two. Again, it does back up to the backyard, so that's always a good feature when you have your windows of a room facing a backyard. That's nice. This will be a shared bathroom, so we'll leave this Jack and Jill style and just remodel it. Definitely want to keep the green, lime green, out. And this is going to get a full-on new HVAC, so new heating system and new air conditioning. It is a little warm here in summer, so we want to really put that feature in for our new home buyers. Past the patio area. Boom, boom. Again, really good bones. They did a good job keeping and maintaining this property. As you can see, the slate walkway is in really good nick. So not much to be done here. All the fencing's good. We'll just touch up the railing and a really good space. This is unique back here. You can have kids and dogs and barbecues. This is super rad. Another cool feature about this is your alleyway right here, and it's a really wide alleyway. So what we're going to do to make it a little different, we're going to actually install a garage door on this side, electric garage door, and we're going to cut a fence opening into this so you have access through the alley into your garage, and as well as on the other side. Come on back here, I'll give you an idea of what that looks like. So again, super long driveway. You can fit a ton of cars here. This will be electric new garage door, and on the back end will be another electric door, and basically you can pull a car in and you can pull a car out the other side. So super cool feature, alley access, as well as a ton of parking and access through this way. So that's our house. We're stoked. Stay tuned for the renovation.